everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Gauri. Today I have something very special for all my viewers, especially those who are eagerly waiting for the Festival of Lights, Diwali. Yes, you guessed it right. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is just around the corner, and today we are going to take a deep dive into unique Diwali decoration idea, floor seating. Decorating your home for Diwali is all about inviting prosperity, happiness and good vibes. Now for the main attraction, the lights. Diwali is all about brightness and positivity. Let's hang some string lights creating overhead. A soft warm glow. And then before adding garlands, I am going to hang these colorful curtains. Help of these rods. These rods I bought it from Decor. Now hanging here some beautiful artificial marigold garlands. Remember, the more colors, the more festive. The first step is to gather cushions, rugs or mattress. Here I am using, instead of mattress, I am using here sofa cushions to create a comfortable sitting area. To cover those sofa cushions, I am using here my colorful shawl. Arrange your cushions and rugs in a way that's comfortable and inviting. You can experiment with different shapes and sizes for a unique look. Choose colorful festive fabrics to amp up the Diwali feel. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns and textures. After all, Diwali is a celebration of colors and joy. Diwali is incomplete without lights. Create a magical ambience with fairy lights, candles and of course traditional diyas. Arrange them around the seating area and feel the space come alive. But remember, safety first. Don't place any open flames too close to your fabrics. And finally, it's time to add the finishing touches. Add some festive throws. If you want, you can add a low table for your snacks and sweets, and of course a few traditional elements like rangolis and flower decorations. Here it is. Our beautiful, vibrant and inviting Diwali floor seating area is ready for the celebration. It's a perfect blend of tradition and comfort, a place where you can spend hours catching up with loved ones, exchanging gifts and savoring delicious Diwali sweets. That's it for today's video, my lovelies. I hope you found my Diwali floor seating decoration ideas inspiring. If you try any of these ideas, do share pictures with me in Instagram. I would love to see your creations. You can find my Instagram link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting decoration ideas. Until next time, have a fantastic Diwali.